Hey there, welcome back to the channel. We did it again. We found a Middle Eastern cologne fragrance at the rack store. Now, these ones are new that have been popping up. I was lucky enough to find this one at Marshall's. You guys have been telling me about these ones in the comments section. You're saying these have been popping up, keep an eye out for them. And finally, I came across one. Scent we are talking about today is GradeOne Silverwater from Milestone Perfumes. Now, as you guys know, Milestone Perfumes has been really everywhere in terms of just inexpensive cheapies at the rack store that have been really good quality and last a long time, you know, for the most part. There's a couple in there that have average performance, but they all smell great. They're all dupes. Some of them are not hiding what fragrance they are copying. As example, the one we're looking at today, this one is a clear clone of Creed's Silver Mountain Water. Now, full disclosure, I do not have that scent, but I have smelled it plenty of times. I'm more so gonna do this as a standalone fragrance instead of trying to see how close it is to Creed's Silver Mountain Water. If the other fragrances that I've tried from Milestone are any indication of how close they get to the real thing, then I would expect this to smell pretty close to the OG. Creed is absolutely a tough one to clone. They have exceptional quality. You can talk all the crap you want about their longevity and they don't last and they're overpriced, but the quality is second to none. It's very apparent when you smell an original Creed next to a dupe that the quality just is not there. But let's dig into this. I'm gonna try it on strip really quickly and try it on skin and see how much it changes. And then if you guys stick around till the end of the video, well, I have a little surprise for you at the end. So let's get into it. So as I said, the presentation, again, copying Creed's Silver Mountain Water. It is very close to that scent in terms of, you know, the color sort of schemes. And you have the little, almost like Creed shield there. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but let's check the atomizer. These atomizers have been incredible, so let's see what this one does. I can't believe these atomizers. Okay, in the air, guys. Really nice. Musky, citrusy, fruity. Smells nice. All right, let's see what the strip does. All right, so off of the strip, it's very citrusy. You got that clean musk. It's a little bit sort of soapy feeling. There's also another sort of element here. It's, I don't want to say it's smoky, but it could be the woods offering up this slight smokiness, earthiness, but it's nice. Yeah, these have impressed me since day one. There's also an herbalness to this, slightly. I'm surprised that I'm getting this much off of the strip. I paid $20 for this at Marshall's. So, really nice right off the bat. There's a ton of worse fragrances you can buy for 20 bucks at the rack store. Yeah, so off a strip, it's citrusy, it's a little bit earthy, it's musky, it's woody. Smells fresh. I'd be really curious to see what this does on skin. Let's get this on skin. I'm going to take a look. I'll take a look at the notes of Silver Mountain Water and let you guys know what's in there. Notes for GradeOne Silverwater from Milestone Perfumes. Top notes are bergamot and mandarin orange. Mid notes are green tea and black currant. And the base notes are musk, sandalwood, petitgrain, and galbanum. So I will say, guys, for a fresh fragrance, this is really creating a nice scent bubble around me. It feels like it's kind of projecting nicely. Okay, so off of skin, it is slightly different. It's smelling a little bit more soapy on me. I did get some of that off of the strip, but it was more citrusy and woody off of the strip with that musk. So off of skin, I'm definitely getting that citrus is still there, but it's not as in my face, and it's a little bit more tapered off. Definitely the soapiness is pushing forward, but it's not a bad thing. It's, you know, it changed quite a bit, to be honest, from the strip. So I would say that the strip is just revealing more of that citrus, more of that fruit. Black currant being in here, as I mentioned. There's just something really likable about this one. It has a freshness to it, but it also has some depth and it's a little bit rich, which I love. So I love that combination of being able to use seemingly lighter notes, fresher notes, and giving it a little bit of depth and making it feel like it's gonna last. Obviously, one of the criticisms, as I mentioned in the intro, Creed getting blasted for poor performance. I personally don't own any Creed fragrances that I would consider poor performers. I think it all depends on, what your expectations are. And I think many people tie an expensive fragrance immediately with performance that, well, if I paid X amount of dollars for it, if I paid over 100 or I paid over 200, I expect it to last, which I'm not disagreeing with. I think projection longevity is important. If it lasted 10 minutes, I would have an issue with it. But if it's lasting 4 or 5 hours and it smells incredible, I'm okay with that. Because I understand that when things are formulated, if you want things to smell natural and smell like you've never smelled before, sometimes you are sacrificing longevity. It's just the nature of the beast. I think someone going to school or work, this could be worn out at night. This is going to be a great summertime fragrance. Yeah, this for $20, it's one of the better fragrances that you're going to find at the rack store. Now, if you have not been to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Burlington's, and this is your first time finding my channel, these typically are found in the loose bottle section. So many Marshalls and TJ Maxx's are locking up their fragrances, trying to keep thieves from stealing them. However, these are still kind of out and about, free to smell them and try them and see and test them out at the store. So I recommend anything from Milestone Perfumes. You guys definitely should try. As I said at the beginning of the video, if you stuck around till the end, we just hit 12K, 12,000 subscribers. I could not be more happy about that and thankful. Thank you for the support. You guys are the absolute best. 12K, amazing. I want to do a giveaway, so I am going to be giving away GradeOne Silverwater from Milestone Perfumes. The way to enter will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. But it's going to be, obviously, subscribe to the channel. Do that, number one. If you're not yet, what are you doing? Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Boston_accents. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite Middle Eastern dupe is. Your favorite of all time. Best Middle Eastern cologne you've tried. Drop it in the comment section down below. Would love to know if you guys have tried GradeOne Silverwater from Milestone Perfumes. Let me know in the comments as well. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.